Every night, our cities pour light into empty streets. Faults go unseen for weeks, and the schedule never changes, year after year. What if your city's lights could sense the world around them and respond? This is Intelliglow. One platform to see your entire network, live on a single map. Group lights into zones. Build your own dimming profiles. Then, let real-time traffic and movement data take over, brightening streets when people are there, and saving energy when they're not. One click reveals every fault across the network, so maintenance teams know exactly where to act. For the municipalities and lighting operators who run it all, lower bills and a lighter footprint, without compromising safety.
The future isn't just bright, it's intelligent.